Today, we're going to look at how creating fear of missing out can drive sales on social media. This is the Cotswolds-based equestrian retailer Equibudo, and they delight and engage their audiences whenever they drop a new product line or a limited run. And what they do is exactly this. They create urgency because it's a great tactic to drive engagement as well as to secure sales. So by showing that you can reserve items, which is what they've said here. So let's go back to the beginning. So the siren has arrived back in stock of steel blue grey. So they've given the details. We will be dispatching the reserved ones on Monday. Thank you. And anyone else, basically, this is the last chance saloon, so get it while you can. So what they've done is they've shown that this is the product. They've shown it on a person who obviously, like is an equestrian, loves horses, all that kind of thing. So it works really well for their brand. They've shown off the product, which is gorgeous. And then what they've done is they've said you can reserve it. Also, people obviously have reserved it. So people now know that if you couldn't do that before, you can now contact them to do that now. And then they've said it's last chance saloon. So obviously they've only got a couple left, which makes you think that they're super popular and in high demand. And if it's last chance, then it's a great way of driving people to take the plunge who might have been on the fence. Another thing they could have added in here is check out our bio to buy now. And then people would have gone straight to the bio and gone into purchase. Now, any business can do this, whether stocks are low or not, by creating that kind of fear of missing out and excitement around your product. So even if your stocks are full, by saying, that while stocks last or something like that, it just gives the impression that it's in high demand and is likely to tip people over the edge if they were on the fence before. Now, as Equibudo are based in the Cotswolds, for anyone physically visiting their store, it would be good for this business to keep coming up on the digital map, so to speak, so that people can find them. Now, the best way of doing that is engaging with other popular businesses within the Cotswolds area. So you would go to engagement, go to engage, and then go on to your location. You would put in here, your location for here is Cotswolds, and I would switch to local up here. And then what it does is it gives me all of the independent businesses over this time period that have the best posts, aka they've got the best engagement across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And so I know they've got a captive audience. And if they're shopping here, for example, which is sort of baby items, then they might also be interested in my business as well. So I would like, and I would comment, I would engage. You can flip through and see other photos. You can see other businesses here. It's just a really good way of coming up within your area and having other businesses support you as well. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please click on the little blue button. We love to help.